Alright, Fitted Squad. What's up? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And this one is going to be straight to the point. This is for the $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. As you can see here, I've already loaded up the video. As far as the views, I don't know why the site always does that. I definitely don't have that many views on it, but yeah, the comments and likes, that's accurate, but not the views. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and hit pick the winner, which is there, and it should give us the winner. So good luck, everyone. Alright, look like that is the winner. Notorious Mean. Hug me, brother, I'm in. Alright, so I'll go ahead and reach out to him and give him the information for the gift card. Now, definitely want to stay tuned because I'll be doing more giveaways in the future. I won't be just doing the ones for like specific milestones. I'll also try to do some random ones. I might even bring Fitted Fridays back. I tend to do a lot of giveaways with Fitted Fridays. It's not always hat related, so definitely let me know if you got what you guys would be interested in receiving, if it's not just the Amazon gift cards, if it's anything else. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.